How to easily connect Myfitnesspal and Apple Health 2025. Step 1. Open the Myfitnesspal app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap the More tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down and tap Apps and Devices. Step 4. Find and tap Apple Health from the list of available apps. Step 5. Tap Connect to begin syncing with Apple Health. Step 6. You'll be redirected to the Apple Health permission screen. Turn on the data types you want to share, like steps, workouts, calories, and etc. Step 7. Tap Allow at the top right corner to save your settings. And lastly, Step 8. Go back to MyFitnessPal. Your data will now automatically sync with Apple Health. And that's it. You've successfully connected MyFitnessPal and Apple Health. Now, your fitness data will stay in sync.